Looks like you are here today for your 28-week prenatal appointment. Awesome. So nice to see you. You're absolutely glowing. You look great. Can you confirm your first and last name for me? And your date of birth? Awesome. Of course, I will get you checked in. Okay. Any changes to your insurance info, pharmacy on file, or emergency contact? Okay. Let's see. Are we still taking those prenatal vitamins? Okay. And you don't need any refills on those, right? You think you should be good? Okay. How have you been feeling officially in the 3rd trimester? Very pregnant. Probably one of the most common comments I get. Okay. So, 28 weeks pregnant. It looks like you're all up to date on everything. It does look like you passed your 1-hour glucose test since we last saw you. Now, your blood type is O negative. Did you ever get the RhoGAM shot? You went earlier today? Awesome. So, RhoGAM you got. Okay. Let's see here. Doesn't look like any other new labs are in. Otherwise, everything's been going okay. Any symptoms or concerns that you're having today? Oh, you're doing pretty good. Awesome. Now, remind me, the last time that we saw you, did we talk about the Tdap vaccine? Very briefly. Yes, for the whooping cough. So basically, the Tdap vaccine is a vaccine that we recommend in all 3rd trimester moms. Basically, the shot we give to you, but the antibodies would go to your baby to protect them from getting whooping cough between the time they're born and when they would get that vaccine when they're old enough at the pediatrician. I think it's 2 months of age, but don't quote me on that, I'm not sure. You'd like to get that vaccine today? Awesome. Yes, I will let Leanna, the PA, know, and she'll give that one to you. It looks like I can get you started on your vital signs, and then Leanna, the PA, will come in to get heart tones, measure your belly, just make sure everything is going okay with you. Oh, yes, for sure. I am doing well, thank you. I am almost 18 weeks with this little boy. But yeah, you know, I really can't complain. Haven't really been having too many concerns or issues, so very blessed with that, as you know. Yeah. All right, so I am just going to place this around you here. You can put your arm through there for me. Good, good, good. All right, I'm gonna take a listen here. Very good. Blood pressure is normal today. Let me work on getting that out of your arm here. All right, you could slip your arm out for me. Perfect. Let me just get this going. How has baby's movement been? Do you feel like you've had some good fetal movement? Good. Good. This is the time actually we're going to want to start tracking baby's movement. They call it kick counting. There are actually some really nice apps out there that can help you track your kick counts just so you don't lose track of it at all. Alrighty, next up we have the temperature check. And as usual, this is just going to go underneath the tongue, okay? Awesome. But you haven't had anyone sick around you, right? I know it's flu season, but good. All right, this is going to go underneath the tongue. Just going to wait a little bit to get that reading all set. You're doing great. Alrighty, let's see. Perfect. Temperature is good. So let me put this all over here. Let me just write down your vital signs and your temperature. The only other thing that I am going to need from you is just that urine sample so we can make sure that you're not spilling any protein or glucose in your urine. And then I am going to grab this urinalysis strip, and then Lena, the PA, she'll be dipping your urine just to make sure all is clear there. So your chart is all prepped. Let me leave this urinalysis strip on the tray there. Let me put I'm going to put your patient identifier here. And then if you wouldn't mind, I'll hand you a paper towel that you can just kind of use to collect it and bring it back in here, okay? Awesome. And then I'll make sure that she has the Tdap vaccine to give you as well. You think you're all set? Alrighty, very good. Well, Leanna, the PA, will be in shortly for you. Doing today? Good. I can't believe you're already 28 weeks. You've been feeling good. Baby is doing good. That is exactly what I want to hear. I just wanted to go over the general questions that we go over at all your prenatal appointments. Still taking those prenatal vitamins every day? Having any vaginal bleeding, gush or loss of fluid, abnormal discharge? All right, very good. Your blood pressure and your urine sample today were completely normal. I got that dipped in the hall there, so we don't have to worry about protein or glucose. Baby's fetal movements have been good. Awesome. And then let's see here. I know Lee, the medical assistant, talked to you a little bit about kick counting already and kind of keeping track of baby's movements. Pass your 1 hour glucose tolerance test since we last saw you. Looks like I saw the note in the hospital that they left that you did receive your RhoGAM injection. And then it looks like today you want your Tdap vaccine, correct? All right, and did Lee, the medical assistant, kind of go over everything there is to know about Tdap for you? Good, good, good. All right, well, let's kind of do our usual here. We are going to get some heart tones, and I am just going to measure your fundal height to make sure that everything is measuring appropriately with baby and we don't have to order you a growth ultrasound at all. I am just going to move this over just a little bit here. Let me know if you get too uncomfortable. Got some of that lubricant jelly. It is probably going to feel a little cold, so I apologize. Very good. And then let's listen to baby's heartbeat. Let's get this going here. Very good. Heart tone so far, perfect. Heart tones today are averaging in the mid 150s, so that's very good, very healthy. Very good. All right. So let me get you wiped down here, and then we will measure your fundal height with 2 different rules. Just want to get you wiped off here. Make sure everything is good to go. You haven't had any concerning skin changes or anything like that, right? Good. Alright, let's get your fundal height measurement then. I'll probably take these off just to be a bit more accurate. So, let me put some hand sanitizer on here. I did take a look at all of your blood work and visits, so you're pretty much all up to date on those. Just going to take this measuring tool here. Sorry for pressing a bit here. Good. You look like you are measuring very well today. So that is amazing. Let me try this tape measure tool as well. Very good. I'm just going to press on the fundus there a little more. Very good. Yeah, no, you are definitely measuring according to size today, so that is awesome. So, we are all good as far as your examination of the uterus area. So, if you want, I can get you going with that Tdap. Okay, awesome. Let me grab another pair of gloves here. And this is just going to go right in your arm, okay? I'll just be using like an alcohol swab to clean the area, and then we will get you going. Alright, so just going to take this alcohol swab here. There we go. So, going to feel a little bit of cold here right on your arm. Kind of keep the area clean and sanitary here. Okay, very good. You are now going to feel the shot here, quick poke. There you go. Alrighty, so you are all good to go with that injection. I am just going to bandage you up over here just to control any bleeding that you might get, so we will keep that banded on you there. Do you have absolutely any questions or concerns now that you've entered your 3rd trimester, or do you feel like everything's been going okay? Awesome. Alright, so it looks like we have caught you up at your 28-week prenatal appointment. Just so you know, beforehand we were seeing you once a month, but now we are actually going to want to see you every 2 weeks for a prenatal appointment. Then when you get to 36 weeks, we'll actually be seeing you every single week. One thing I do want to give you today, and the girls will give you at checkout, is a script for a breast pump form, as well as a maternity belt. That'll just kind of help as far as any back pain that you may have, and it'll help prepare you in case you plan on breastfeeding. So I will make sure both of those scripts are available for you. But otherwise, it looks like you are completely up to date. With that being said, I will give you some privacy just to get ready, and then the girls at checkout will be giving you the breast pump script as well as the maternity belt. And of course, if any concerns, questions, anything comes up out of the blue, you always know that you can call our office, and we have a nurse line that you can speak to. But otherwise, everything today came back great. Fundal height was good, heart tones were good, and you look absolutely fantastic. It is not a problem at all. As always, it was my pleasure taking care of you today, and we should be seeing you now in 2 weeks. Absolutely my pleasure. So, with that being said, I will see you very soon.